What the heck is up, guys? I am going to show you a full day of eating today. I'm going to be really strict with my diet this week since I have that calorie challenge coming up this weekend. So I'm being very accurate with my calorie counting, and I'm working out every day. So I figured I'd show you what I am currently eating in a day for a day of weight loss. So let's just get to it. First meal of the day, I got my overnight oats. This is my go-to breakfast all the time, or whenever during the day, honestly. I love this absolutely every day. I got 80 grams of oats in there, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, good fiber, fats. Then we got peanut powder. So if you really like peanut butter, but you want to watch your calorie intake from all that extra fat that's in peanut butter, you should get some of this stuff off Amazon. Crazy Richards pure peanut butter, 2-pound bag here. I can't remember how much it costs, but absolutely love this stuff. I put 6 tablespoons of this in here, so it goes really well with this fudge chocolate protein powder. I got 1 scoop of that in there, and then 110 grams of frozen blueberries. Oh wait, can't forget. I knew I was forgetting something. I got instead of almond milk, I use Fairlife now. It's regular milk but lactose free since it's ultra filtered. So it gets me a lot more protein than what almond milk would. So since protein's probably the hardest macronutrient to hit, so it makes it a lot more convenient for that. So 1 cup of that, then I topped the rest off with water until it was to my texture. So that's meal 1. I'll be back with meal 2 here shortly. Okay, meal 2. It's been about, hour and a half or 2 hours. But what we got here, I did not measure out the broccoli at all. I'm guessing it's about 2 cups worth. So I usually don't track my broccoli or veggies since they're low calorie, high fiber. But yeah, we got about 2 cups of broccoli, 4 egg whites, 2 whole eggs, and 3 tablespoons of MCT oil. Why do I use MCT oil? I just started recently. I've just heard of all the benefits of it. It comes from coconut oil, and basically what they do is remove some of the longer chain triglycerides. MCT stands for medium chain triglycerides. So basically your body absorbs the fat and uses it as fuel immediately. It's very good for your brain as far as focus for the day and everything. So it's actually recommended that it's your first calories of the day, but not for me here. Regardless, I just think it's probably one of the healthier fats. I haven't been taking it long enough to fully say that it's the absolute best fat source out there, but from what I've read on it, I'll keep you guys updated on that as I continue to use it. But yeah, 42 grams of my fat is from this 3 tablespoons of MCT oil. So, and I'm having 70 grams total today. Yeah, that's all I got here. So I'm going to eat this up here. Probably be back within a couple hours for my last meal. The final meal of the day. What time is it? It's only 5 o'clock. But after this, I'm done because it's all my calories for this week anyway. What we got here, we got 10 ounces of chicken breast. The chicken breast, that's the only thing I meal prepped for this week at all, since every other meal takes like 5 minutes to make. The eggs, the oatmeal, and then I just add on this rice cauliflower into here. So you got chicken breast, full bag of this rice cauliflower, very convenient, adds a lot of volume for it, very little calories. So there's that, and then I added some the Frank's Red Hot Buffalo sauce. And that is all, well, and then about a cup of plain non-fat Greek yogurt to this. So this is a very protein-dense meal. A lot of sodium too. The other meals didn't have like any sodium, so that's okay. I can do that. And after this, I'll wash it down with a Cliff Bar since I need some more carbs today. Actually very low on carbs for the day, so that'll get me to, let's see, by the end of the day I'm going to be at about 2,200 calories, which usually I'm about, if I'm trying to burn some fat, I'm usually eating around 2,500, but since I have that massive calorie challenge this weekend, I am cutting it a little lower. I'll just say that. So here we go. We got 170 grams carbs, 75 grams fat, and 207 grams of protein. And the fiber for the day is at 39 grams, so be sure to get that fiber in. The cauliflower really helped, the broccoli, the oatmeal, blueberries, chia seeds. I try to add in at least 1 or 2 ingredients that add a decent amount of fiber to my meals. And then we got, yeah, this has 4 grams of fiber too, so that's good. Yeah. For males, shoot for 30 to 35 grams of fiber. Females, 20 to 25 grams. But other than that, I'm going to eat this up. That's what I am eating this week for fat loss. So let me know if you have any questions. If you want a meal plan, I'll leave a link below. There's you could fill out a questionnaire and all that and go from there. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. I'll be back next time with some sort of, I don't know. But thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.